Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 708, and today's topic is the health benefits of palm oil. Palm oil and its origin cultivation goes to African countries, and it has 5,000 year history. Even in Egyptian literature it is mentioned, and in Africa they are using it for thousands of years as a cooking oil and also for some medicinal purpose. If someone is having some constipation or some stomach disorder, in some African countries even still they are using it as a laxative. And sometimes if you have some inflammation or some joint swelling, they also massage with this. And commonly palm oil is known as red oil globally, and it is very interesting to note that the origin of palm tree goes to Africa, and now today the exporter of palm oil is Asian country, and that is Malaysia, number one. At present, Malaysia is exporting almost 80% of palm oil in the world, and it is really surprising that the Malaysians, they got seedling of palm tree from Nigeria, is from Africa, and they became today the net exporter. The biggest exporter of palm oil in world is Malaysia, and second number goes to Indonesia. So Malaysia and Indonesia, they are having lot of cultivation of palm oil and production of palm oil. And in Indian subcontinent, especially in India, some 40 years before we were not knowing about palm oil, because in India mostly we were using either mustard oil, that is called sarson ka tel, or sunflower oil or groundnut oil. But today we are importing millions of liters of palm oil from Malaysia and Indonesia. And today also all these African countries, West African countries like Ivory Coast, like Nigeria, like Ghana, they are all producing palm fruit, and they are extracting palm oil, but they are very much left behind. They cannot compete with Malaysia and Indonesia. Palm oil is a yellowish red in color, and it is having butter type of outlook, and it is very rich in beta carotene because of its red color, we can understand, and also it is rich in vitamin E. So it is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and as usual this is also the mixture of triglycerides of fatty acids, and these fatty acids mainly are lauric acid and palmitic acid and also some oleic acid. But here mainly they are caproic acid, triglycerides. Many people, they are comparing palm oil with coconut oil, but no, there is no comparison. There should not be any confusion, because palm oil is having the mixture of triglycerides of fatty acids of 50% saturated and 50% unsaturated fatty acids. I mean, this is the big difference in palm oil and coconut oil chemistry. Palm oil chemistry means all the triglycerides, those esters which are there, they are the mixture of saturated as well as unsaturated fatty acids. But in the case of coconut oil, Coconut oil mostly it is all fatty acid of saturated hydrocarbon. Only some little percentage of unsaturation is there. Otherwise, 95% coconut oil is saturated fatty acid ester. So this is the big difference in palm oil and coconut oil. And this palm oil is used mainly for cooking purpose, and it is very healthy oil. The reason is that it is rich in antioxidant, and these antioxidants are beta carotene, vitamin A and vitamin E. It is having anti-inflammatory effect, and that's why it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress. It can neutralize the free radicals, and in this way it is also helping for our healthy heart. It is widely used as a oil to manufacture soap, and as a base oil to prepare some ointments in pharmaceutical industries, and also it is good for our healthy hair and skin because of the presence of vitamin E and vitamin A. So if we see the overall health benefit and nutritional value of palm oil, it is good oil, and also it is good in deep fry because it has high smoke point. It is around 450 degree Fahrenheit smoke point. So that's why it is good, and at high temperature it will not smoke, it will not burn, and it is also good for our digestive system, in the sense that it contains 50% unsaturation, that is good for our we can say health benefit, and because of that it will not be easily deposited as a lipid. So overall palm oil is a very good edible oil. So health benefits of palm oil. The botanical name is Elias guineacis J, and it belongs to family Palmae. Number one, Africa is primary source of palm oil. I have already told you that the origin of palm tree and palm oil goes to Africa long ago. It has thousands of years history, but today it has gone to Malaysia and Indonesia, supplied by Nigerians, the seedling. Palm oil is obtained by steaming or expression of the mesocarp of fruit by removing this, and then kernel is there. That's why it is also called sometimes palm kernel oil. Palm oil is reddish yellow in color. We can't say red color, but commonly in Asia and Europe we call it red oil because it is more towards red color rather than yellow, but it has some tinge of yellowish color also. So it is the mixture of red and yellow, and it is because of the richness of beta carotene, and that is provitamin A color, and having butter like consistency at 30 degrees centigrade temperature. So it has some cloudy outlook like butter. Butter means here in Nigeria we call it mansanu type of consistency in it at 30 degrees centigrade temperature, and agreeable odor. Palmitic and oleic acids are the main glycerides, and that is it is insoluble in water but soluble in like petroleum and chloroform. Number two, it is the mixture of glycerides of lauric acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, and in small quantities of caproic acid, caprylic acid, capric acid, and stearic acid. 1 tablespoon of palm oil, that is 14 gram, contains 119 calories, fat 13.5 gram, vitamin E is 2.2 milligram. Number 3, it is believed that we are using palm oil for the past 5,000 years, and I have already told you that when I went through the literature review, I found that in Egypt also they have mentioned the use of palm oil some 4,000-5,000 years ago, and in Africa also we have the original long history of use of palm oil. And in Africa the palm oil is antidote for poisoning and cure for treatment of gonorrhea. It is used as a laxative and diuretic. That's why it is good also for kidney, because it is having diuretic effect, means extra cellular water can be removed. And it has been used in ointment bases in pharmaceutical industries, and it is also used in the manufacture of soap. Palm oil nowadays is mainly used for cooking purpose. Number 4, it can decrease cholesterol levels, can reduce oxidative stress, and can boost brain health. It can increase the vitamin A status and improve the skin and hair health. All these properties that it can reduce the oxidative stress, it can increase the that is HDL, good cholesterol, and it can reduce the bad cholesterol. Is all properties because of the presence of very powerful antioxidants, and they are vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta carotene. So that's why this is healthy oil, and it is nutritional also. So number 5, it is commonly known as red oil, or in other words we can call it palm oil. It's especially rich in beta carotenoid, and that is provitamin A, because 2 molecules of beta carotene can be converted into 1 molecule of vitamin A in our body, and that's why it is called provitamin A. It can boost brain health. Palm oil is packed with vitamin E, that is powerful antioxidant and support brain health. Number 6, red palm oil reduces oxidative stress, because by neutralizing free radicals, and it can reduce inflammation. That I have already told you that since vitamin E, vitamin A, these beta carotenes, they are very powerful antioxidants, and they can drastically reduce the free radicals, and in this way you will be free of oxidative stress, and that will indirectly help you for your lot of health benefit, especially the cardiovascular, brain, hair and skin, and overall aging, because your aging starts with oxidative stress. If you are always stressed from oxidation, that is called oxidative stress, then your aging process will start prematurely. So in general, we should take such type of oil, vegetable or fruit, so that always you are free of oxidative stress by knocking down or neutralizing of free radicals which are produced in our body during the metabolic process and oxidation reaction. Number 7, it can improve skin and hair health because of vitamin E, which plays central role. The latest research suggests that vitamin may be useful in the treatment of wounds, ulcers and psoriasis. Vitamin E and A are good for hair growth. Number 8, red palm oil has unique flavor and high smoke point. Because of its high smoke point is around 440 to 50, and this high smoke point makes it of good quality so that you can enjoy deep fried yam or meat or any other vegetable, and also it will not harm when you cook your stew and other jollof rice, because once its smoke point is less and low, it means at low point it will start smoking, means it will be burned, and once that burning oil means lot of free radicals are produced. That is the main reason. That's why smoke point of any oil is very important to know. If smoke point is high, it means at high temperature it is not going to smoke or burn, and it is safe, and it will not be having the contamination of free radicals. That's why once you use palm oil for frying of yam, if you can afford, please don't use it for second time or third time, because by that time it is contaminated with free radicals, and that may harm you. And so suitable for deep frying and cooking. Palm oil is 50-50 saturated and unsaturated glycerides of fatty acids. Why? The coconut oil is having 90% saturated fatty acid glycerides, and this, because of this reason, the quality of palm oil is better than coconut oil. But since it is having MCTs, MCT means medium carbon chain glycerides, and that plays important role to make coconut oil best oil from health point of view. So with this I will stop, and to my knowledge in Nigeria, Nigerian population is widely using palm oil because Nigeria is producing enough palm oil and it is good and it has lot of health benefit and nutritional value. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.